to show you. I bought myself a new KXF 450 2023. It's nice. I gotta get a new front plate, but I got this really cheap. I will put up some photos of what it looked like, because obviously I've had to put a different wheel because the other one was shattered, as I'll show you right now. Damn! Boom. So I've already changed that over. I didn't get a chance to record, but yeah, it's a 2023 KXF 450. Starts on the button. So launch control, map settings, got the lot. But what we're doing today is we're going to clean this up, tape around it, and try spray it black so it looks similar to that, because it looks a bit off a bit right now. And what we're going to do is clean the chain and lube it up. So yeah, so let's get to that. That looks so clean now. Look at that. So we're gonna do the other side now. So boom, right, we're all done. I touched up that little bit there. But yeah, it's looking clean now. Looking a whole lot better. Black on black. When this is all dried up, I nearly messed it up. I'll clean it. Woo! The wheels are fine now.
It could have been killed.
Oh my gosh, bro. My God.
Oh, 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 oh.
He's an idiot. He's gonna kill himself and you as well.
Oh, my chest. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. My chest is going. Oh.
You know, this guy's an idiot. He's gonna put this on YouTube. All right. Ooh.
There's not enough space and too many.
That woman, she was effing and blinding at you.
Go in.
She said, "What an idiot."
Tell her, eat up. Fuck one, bro.
So basically what happens is I get all the fucking bollocking just because of this guy.
Part of life. Yes, I do. Yo! Come, let's go! He's standing up, you know. That's crazy.
North Road made this.